you can see it close to the horizon near sunrise and sunset. Mercury is a lot like our moon.
Nathan is watching
rocky surface with craters on
the
it.
planets.
It has no moon of its own and no air to breathe. You probably wouldn't enjoy a visit to Mercury, since temperatures are boiling hot in the sun and freezing cold in the shade. Something interesting about Mercury is that it is the fastest planet to go around a second planet. Some people call Venus Earth's sister, because the two planets are very close in size and gravity, but they are very different on the surface. First of all, it is very hot. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. It's not as close to the sun as Mercury, but its thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide helps it to trap the heat and stay warmer than its neighbor. It has a thick atmosphere, but it is not one you could breathe. It is mostly made of carbon dioxide.
Namimiss niya na siguro yung planets, kaya gusto na naman niyang panoorin.
Venus might not be fun to visit,
Pero ito
but it
hindi
is
siya pang
beautiful to
baby.
look at. It is the second brightest object in the night sky.
Pero nakikinig pa
The
rin
only thing
siya.
brighter is the moon. If you are looking at a sunrise or a sunset and suddenly notice what looks like a very bright star, you are probably looking at Venus. After Venus comes Earth, the third planet from the sun. Of course, you know all about Earth because that's the planet where we live. Earth is what's called a Goldilocks planet because it's not too hot and not too cold. It is just right. As far as we know, Earth is the only planet to have living things. Let's leave Earth again for a moment, though, and visit Mars, the fourth planet from the sun. Mars is known as the red planet because iron oxide, a material like rust, in the soil, gives it a reddish color.
Gusto niya.
Mars is smaller than Venus and the Earth, but
Parang
larger than
naintindihan na
Mercury.
niya,
It is cold and rocky, with a thin atmosphere made of carbon dioxide and oxygen. There is
May mga
more
terms
ice on
na
Mars.
hindi familiar sa kanya
Scientists
eh.
are very interested in Mars because they think that people could live there with the help of some special equipment. Rockets and probes have already been sent there to gain more information about the planet and back to Earth. Mars is the first planet we visited today besides Earth to have its own moons.
You like the planets?
Although they are not big and round like our moon.
Ha?
Mars's
You
moons
like
are small
planets?
and irregular. Scientists think they may be
Ayaw
captured
niya magpa-istorbo,
asteroids.
guys.
Maybe they came from the big asteroid belt that is between Mars and
Busy
Jupiter.
siya.
An asteroid
Seryoso
belt is a
siya
big
sa
ring of
pinapanood niyang
asteroids,
planets.
rocky objects orbiting the sun. Jupiter comes next, the fifth planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet and is something called a gas giant. It is called this because
You
it is
listen, ha?
and made mostly of gases.
You listen very
Jupiter is so
carefully.
big that you would have to place
You will have a
Earth
test later,
just
okay?
to stretch across its middle.
What is that?
Well, hi there, new friend.
Mommy will skip.
No, you're supposed to be scared.
Jupiter is also the third brightest object in the night sky. Only Venus and the moon are brighter. You can usually find Jupiter higher in the sky than Venus, since Jupiter is away from the sun and not towards it. Jupiter has at least 67 moons that circle around it, but 55 of them are very small, only about as big as a mountain. Some of these large moons can be seen from Earth in your backyard with a telescope. People cannot land on Jupiter because it is made of gas. There is no ground to land on. Even if there was somewhere to land, Jupiter is covered by terrible storms, much stronger than even the strongest storms on Earth. One storm that we know about can be seen from Earth. We call it the Great Red Spot because that's what it looks like, and it has been going on for at least 200 years. After Jupiter comes Saturn, another gas giant. beautiful rings. Although they look solid from a distance, the rings are actually made from many, many small ice particles, as well as rocks and dust. Saturn also has more than 60 moons orbiting around it, some as large as the planet Mercury, and many smaller. Something interesting about Saturn is that even though it is very large, it is not very dense. That means that if you could find a bathtub large enough to put Saturn in, it would float instead of sink. Saturn is the farthest planet that can be seen from Earth without the help of a telescope. After Saturn comes Uranus, the seventh planet.
What's that? The seventh planet, Uranus. What's that? It's Earth.
Any other planet in the solar system, it is tilted so much that it actually spins sideways. Uranus has rings
The Earth and the
that are much
Uranus.
smaller than Saturn's, and
What's that?
27 known moons.
Macy, what's that?
Uranus is covered in blue clouds
See,
made of
it's
methane,
your nails?
which give it its lovely color. Very similar to Uranus is Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun. Neptune is another gas giant, and like Uranus, it has methane in its atmosphere, so it also looks blue. Neptune is a darker blue than Uranus, and scientists aren't sure why. Neptune has a few thin rings and 14 moons that we know about. Because Neptune is so far out in space, it takes it a very, very long time to go around the Sun. Remember Mercury, that only takes 88 days to go once around the Sun? Poor Neptune takes over 164 years to finish an orbit around the Sun. The last time that Neptune was in the same place it is now was before the
Sleepy?
American Civil War.
Feeling
Before
sleepy?
computers, phones, airplanes, or cars had been invented. Neptune has the longest orbit of
Oh, that's
any planet in the
Neptune.
solar system.
Planet Neptune.
Now you may think that I've forgotten someone. Pluto. Pluto was discovered in 1930 and was
That's
listed as the
Pluto.
ninth planet in the solar system. As it was studied longer, scientists realized how small it is. It is much smaller than any other planet in the solar system, and even smaller than many other moons. Plus, people started to discover other small, rocky planet-like objects in space near Pluto. Some of them were even bigger than Pluto. In 2006, after 76 years being listed as a planet, Pluto was declared a dwarf planet.
Oh, Pluto is not a planet.
Much smaller. There are at least 6 dwarf planets in the solar system, and possibly many, many more.
Oh.
There's also 8 official planets in our solar system.
Isang baby, planet.
Advance siya.
Earth,
Earth,
Mars,
Mars,
Jupiter,
Jupiter,
Saturn,
Saturn,
Uranus,
Uranus,
and Neptune.
and Neptune. There are 8 planets.
Goodbye till next time.
Bye. Say bye. Bye. Say bye here. Okay.